In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop notifications from Reuters news app. So if you are receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to put an end to this, then you can simply do this by following these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to put an end to Reuters news app notifications, go ahead and long press on your app and you should see this option, share, app info and uninstall. Go ahead and tap on the second option, that is app info, and from here go down to permissions section. Under permissions, look for notifications and you can see all these notifications are on. That's why you have been receiving a lot of notifications. Some of the notifications that are on include permanent notifications, vibration, play sound, lock screen notifications, as well as floating notifications. To turn all of them off at once, just toggle off show notifications here. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any alerts from this app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop notifications from Reuters news app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.